Are you tired of wasting your money on fake weight loss pills that promise miracles but deliver nothing? You're not alone. Thousands of people have fallen victim to these scams, only to end up frustrated and back at square one. But what if I told you there's a proven, natural solution that actually works? The weight loss industry is filled with gimmicks and false promises. From miracle pills to extreme diets, most of these products are designed to take your money, not solve your problem. And when they fail, you're left feeling hopeless, wondering if real results are even possible. The truth is, most weight loss products don't address the root cause of the issue. They focus on quick fixes instead of sustainable solutions. That's why so many people end up gaining the weight back or worse, damaging their health in the process. Introducing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, a revolutionary Japanese formula designed to help you lose weight naturally and safely. Made from a blend of powerful, science-backed ingredients like matcha green tea, turmeric, and other ancient superfoods, this tonic works with your body to support your metabolism, not against it. Unlike other weight loss products, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic doesn't rely on harsh chemicals or empty promises. It's a natural solution that has already helped thousands of people achieve real, lasting results. Just one serving a day, and you'll start seeing changes within weeks. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what real users are saying about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I've tried everything, but this is the first product that actually worked. Sarah, 42. Finally found something that delivers real results without side effects. John, 58. Thousands of people have already transformed their bodies and their lives with this incredible product. Now it's your turn. Ready to say goodbye to fake weight loss pills and hello to real results. Click the link below now to learn more about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. But hurry, this exclusive offer won't last forever. Remember, this isn't just another weight loss product. It's a proven, natural solution that works. Don't wait. Your transformation is just one click away.